Dr. J is the best dentist I've ever been to in my life. I mean, for what he created and what he did in my mouth to make me feel normal like everybody else who has their own teeth. He's an artist. He really is an artist. It's amazing what he can do.
Dr. Gervais is a very professional person, and he knows what he's doing, and he's intelligent, and I think he's an all-around nice guy. He's not going to tell me something that I don't really need to have done.
I appreciated that I wasn't told what to do. He presented the options, and I chose which option I wanted to go with. It was very, very professional. And now I smile fully, do full smiles. I'm not self-conscious. I'm proud. It's kind of, I think it's helped my confidence a lot.
Dr. J, if I was to describe him in one word, is a perfectionist. He's the only guy I trust, really, honestly. If I had to go away, and I told him wherever he goes, I'll fly there. I'm very picky. That was my main thing, like, how big is the needle? You won't even feel it, he said to me. I'm like, really? It's like, trust me, you're not gonna feel it. And I really didn't.
As a prosthodontist, he is an artist. And there are other prosthodontists, but he has a gift. I mean, he truly is an artist. And so I knew that the work that he would do was the best that I could get.
I mean, he seems to have all the confidence in the world. He really does. So, that reassures me.
I have a lot of friends and a lot of family. My whole family comes here, and my neighbors and my friends, when they see what he's done for me, some have had full mouth implants, and he's done beautiful work. So I'm just so happy and pleased with his work. It's professional.
I came in, and it was funny because they took me back and said, well, tell me a little bit, about yourself. And I started talking about, what was going on with my teeth. And he goes, no, I want to know about you. And I just knew from that point on that I was at the right place. I can't say enough about the staff and the doctor. They're just amazing.
When I come in, it's almost like you're coming to a friend. I come in, I sit down, and it's terrible, but I don't always remember all of their names, but they say, hi, Neil, how's your son doing in the military? And isn't your daughter coming up for graduation? They seem to really know you, know your life, what's going on, and take a personal interest in you. So I was impressed with that, too. First time in my life where I actually kind of look forward to go to the dentist. Like, oh, I've got an appointment this week. I'm going to go see everyone at the office. I look forward to it.
One of the things I really liked also about this office is it was very competent. If you had an appointment at 1, they're ready to go at 1. I mean, you might have to wait 3 or 4 minutes, but I don't think I ever waited 5 minutes, ever.
Dr. J is my Superman because he made me have a super life. I feel so happy that I found him, that he let me go through this whole thing and made it so that I felt so much better than I ever had before. The only downside of this whole thing is I wish I'd done it sooner.
When I recommended Dr. Saj to her, I said, you've been having problems with your dentures for a long time. Dr. Saj, he's an expert in this area. He teaches the best, so he'll probably be able to do the right job for you. And sure enough, he did. My confidence level with Saj is very high. I can't imagine having it any higher with any other professional in the medical arena. He's the real deal.
It's very difficult to describe Dr. Gervais in just a couple of words. He is amazing. I mean, everything from just his extensive knowledge and background and qualifications to being just a leader in the industry and innovator, to all the way down to his very warm and gentle nature. And then there's the whole professional aspect as well, where everything is just completely organized, professional. Everything is just, it's like a well-run ship, as they say. Everything goes according to plan.
My case was very complicated. And Dr. Rashad, he take care of me. Now he changed my bite, and he changed my face, my look, my life. I was so happy.
Dr. Rashad is a perfectionist because he just will never he'll never settle for something that's just okay. He'll always strive to make it like really, really excellent. He won't just be like, oh, that's good enough. He'll just make sure it's completely perfect.
Dr. Rishad is an artist, that's for sure. I'm happy with this job, and I would recommend him to everybody.